I don't know anyone who doesn't love a great loaf of fresh homemade bread. This is a whole wheat sourdough bread. It's very easy to make, so come along with me in this video and let's get cooking. On my list to do today, I'm going to be making some sourdough whole wheat bread. It's going to make 2 loaves. So in my bowl right now, I have 1 cup of white flour and 1 cup of whole wheat flour. And next I'm going to be adding the yeast. Now in the bowl I got the yeast, the flours, and now I'm going to be adding 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of water, and it's nice and warm. I'm going to be adding this to our mixture. In my crock I got some nice bubbly sourdough starter already, and that's what we'll be adding to our bread, and I'll be using 3/4 of a cup. Now I got this all stirred up, so now I can add our 3/4 of a cup of sourdough starter. It smells so tangy. And then I'll stir that up, and then we're gonna let this set for a while. It's been an hour and a half, and I wish you could hear it because you can actually hear the dough bubbling, but take a look. All right, I added 3 tablespoons of softened butter, and now I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of honey and 1 tablespoon of salt and a teaspoon of soda. And we're going to mix this all together. Now I'm just going to add in enough white flour to make a nice stiff dough. Alrighty, I added 1 more cup of white flour and got it all kneaded up. It is just beautiful feeling. And I'm just going to go ahead and put some more saran wrap on it. I oiled the bowl and gonna let it rise, let it double, and put it back in the warmed oven. Alright, it raised really great, as you can see, and I'm just gonna punch it down, divide it in half, and put it in a couple loaf pans, and we'll let it raise again before baking it. So the bread's all raised up. I'm just going to turn the oven on to 350 now. So then when the timer goes off and it's all heated up, we can bake the loaves of bread for 30 minutes. And then yeah, we're done. The bread turned out amazing. I'm just going to brush it with a little bit of butter here. Let it cool. Bread turned out absolutely delicious. So thanks for coming along with me in this week's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking.